Today we're going to make the meatball with my daughter. It's very delicious. You can eat it in different ways. With the spaghetti, with salad, and only with the sauce. The ingredient is the meat. And there is also the spice, salt and pepper. And there is also the breadcrumbs, milk, tomato sauce, and there is 1 egg, and there is also a cheese, 1 cup of cheese. It's optional. You can use another kind of cheese, and there is also the cloves. Now we're going to mix all the ingredients, the egg, and there is also the breadcrumbs, the milk, and the salt and pepper. It's optional. If you don't like the pepper, just don't use it. There is also the cheese, but you can put some or more and then put it together, mix it. It looks like this. And in the pan, put some olive oil, and there is also the garlic. You put it and put it together in the pan. Cook it for 5 and 10 minutes like this, and after that put the sauce, and leave it for 5 minutes until it simmer. It looks like this. It's very delicious. You can eat it so many different ways, with the sauce, without, and with spaghetti, without the spaghetti. You can use also the rice if you don't like the spaghetti. And there is also the salad. You can use many different ways of salad, and it's very delicious.